Welcome to Friday Flows. This week, another week where the markets have been brutal for investors. But today we're looking at flows, not returns. It's always interesting to me with flows that sometimes they follow returns and sometimes they kind of tell you what people are thinking based on the latest returns. This week was another week where investors, even though the returns were ugly, they were still jumping into S&P type funds. So SPY, VOO, IVV, all different versions of the S&P 500 took in big dollars this week. Also near the top is a bill, another T-bill type investment. That's where I thought investors would going, and they were. There was big numbers into the treasury bond type funds. But overall, the top funds were really kind of a risk on type investments for the most part. Even TQ, the triple version, took in $1 billion. So again, really flows that are looking like people think this is a good time to get in. I don't know if I necessarily agree with that, but that's what investors were doing. On the downside of flows, again, kind of small numbers on any given week, and pretty mixed, but good share of gold, bond type funds. So leaving bonds, going into equity type investments this week. Kind of wanted to jump quickly into SPY and kind of show you how that's changed over the last month on flows. As you can see, cumulative, it's right at where it was kind of to start the month, but day to day, big moves every single day, up and down, over this last month or so. So really kind of tells you investors don't know what they want to be doing with these big number moves. Kind of the same or a different story with Bill. Again, the bonds, as you can see over the month, huge cumulative flows. Over $7 billion went into the Bill this month. Really not a day with outflows. So almost every single day there was a little bit coming in. And again, investors not feeling sure of what's going on. Good rates now within T-bill funds as the Treasury's rates near 4. So again, makes sense to me that investors would want to take some risk off the table, get some yield from just the basic short-term treasuries type fund. So makes sense to me. I hope this was insightful, and we will talk next Friday.